Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another quick video for you. Well, not a quick video. I know you've seen the video that I did on my car with all the blue lights with, you know, the GRC. We're gonna do the same thing on this car. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take everything apart and send it out to my friend, and he's gonna do all the work for us, and then we're gonna put it back together. So all we're doing right now is disassembling the car. So you guys seen it in white already, so I don't need to really show it to you. All right, so let's disassembling everything. Like for example, this door switch. Okay, we're gonna unplug it. I'm gonna take the screws out, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put them back here so we don't lose them. Just gonna lay this guy here for now. We're gonna do to the driver's side, do the same thing. Passenger side, same thing, guys. Okay, now we gotta take this button out. All right, got one out. Take this guy out. Those are just held by little tabs, guys. So if you can open up the little tab, they come out easy. Okay, let's go to the rear doors. All right, we got it out. Next door. All right, guys, now we got a couple more switches we got to do on the interior. All right, we're gonna take these buttons out too, guys. So to do that, I'm gonna pop. I gotta take this panel out to take all these buttons out, and to do that there's a screw right here. Let me take the screw out first. All right, guys, so I got the panel off. I'm gonna take a quick picture so I remember how to put everything. Now we're gonna take everything apart, just unplug everything. All right, there's little clips on all of them, on the side of them. So you push the clip this way, and then you push it out. The last one, the light goes out this way. Okay. All right, I got it. I'm just gonna. Okay, here like that. All right, guys. So the next step, we gotta take this panel out, and we gotta take the radio out. We gotta take this trim out. So use your fingernail and trying to pop it off. It should come off fairly easy. Here we go. I just put it over here, and then we gotta take this trim panel out, guys. Trim removal tool. There we go. Same thing over here. All right. Then unplug it. Here we go. So now we gotta take, I don't need this panel here, I need the back of the panel. There's two screws here, one there. Let's remove them. All right, once the screws are out, guys, use your trim removal panel tool. There's a couple clip here, one here, one, two, three, 4, and 5. So what you gotta do, you gotta try to lift it like this while you pull the clip a little bit. I lift like this, pull the clip, boom, boom, and then lift this guy up, and I push the button slightly. And do it again here. Okay. All right. I got it, guys. So this is the stuff we're gonna have to send. Okay, next thing, guys, we need to take this thing out. Let me go open this door. I need to pop this thing out, pop this out, and then we can take out the radio. So screw right here holding it. Let's take this guy out. Be able to pull it off. All right, hold on, let me go to the other side. I'm just gonna pop this panel out real quick, just so that it's easier to take this thing out. Now we should be able, it's all clipped. I should be able to just pull it out. There we go, it is out. Now guys, we need to take this thing out. It's just pull, it's all clipped. Here we go, unplug it. There we go. Before we keep going, guys, I'm gonna go in the back and take out the battery just to make sure I don't mess anything up. All right, let's go do that now. All right, guys, to take out the radio, there's there's 4 10s, sorry. Okay, got it. Okay guys, now we should be able to pull the radio out. Okay, it's coming off. I got it. You could see, guys, we have a bunch of connection behind the radio, and everything is only goes in one way, so you seriously cannot mess anything up. So you just basically start unplugging everything. Okay, I got everything off, guys. Oh my goodness. We're gonna take this inside to take it apart because I need the button. Okay, I need to take out the button mechanism. So but before we do that, guys, we're gonna take this button out. Alright, good. I got it. Whew. It's a little finesse. Okay, now we can unplug it. Let's try the start button. There's a couple clips in the back. Find it and push it out. There we go, guys. All right, the start button is out. We have 1 2 3 4 5 left. Okay. All right, guys, so for this part, what we have to do is very simple. The whole thing comes off. You just use your fingernails here, because I don't want to scratch anything. So if I use my fingernail, it'll be easier. And then this clips into that. So unclip this too, like that. I think there's clips on the side of this, so we're gonna take this guy out. Okay, all right, I got the whole thing off, guys. So got the whole thing off. Let's pop the top one off. All right, guys, so okay, before we do anything, let's move this thing out of the way, just like that. All right, we're gonna unplug this guy right here. Okay, and unplug, let me see, there's a couple screws holding this guy. Let me grab my screwdriver. These rags over here, guys, just so we don't scratch anything. Let's move this to the side. Yeah, there's a couple screws that hold this. Let me take them out, guys. I think the third one is over here. Okay, I got all three, guys. Okay, guys, finally got all of them. So there's only 3 that hold this guy out, so keep that in mind, guys. Now I gotta go in the back so I can figure out how to pop this thing up. But first of all, let me unplug it, guys, so I get a little bit more leverage. These clips are hard to get out. Okay, I got him. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, so these clips right here, guys, they're very hard to take out. Guys, I gotta take this out and these 2 out. Okay, guys, so I got this thing off. Now let me slide this thing completely out. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna try to slide this thing out as much as I can. Okay, I got it. They're on the side. Okay. All right. Whew. The clips are on the side, guys. You gotta pinch them and then you take them out. But it's not easy. All right, let me try the other one. Wow. Okay. I got it. Whew. Okay, guys. All right. Got him. Okay. Both of these switches are out now, guys. We also got to take this guy out. So to do that one, you got to lift this guy up a little bit and then you push this part down. It's weird, but that's how it is. Okay, after that, now you take the shifter, unscrew it. Okay, then guys, we need to take this piece off. So just use your fingers and pop it off. All right, there is a spring, so I know how the spring goes. See, it goes like that. Okay, we put that to the side. Now we should be able to take this thing off completely. All right, there we go. Okay, now there's two screws that hold this button. All right, put this to the side for now. Now we got this button out. We can unplug it. Okay, done. I'm gonna pop this guy off too, guys. Hold on, I need my pliers. Okay, now we're gonna pinch this guy and then it should pinch and push down. All right, got it. So here's the button. The only thing that's left is this guy. This guy is a pull down, but it's hard to pull it down, so that's all I gotta do left. So I should be able to pull it down with my fingers. All right, guys, I got it. Okay, let's unplug it. Boom. Okay, guys, I need to also remove the airbag so I can get these buttons out. To do so, there's 3 holes. There's 2 on this side, 1 down here where under my hand is. Okay, I got 1 out, guys. Just push there. So if you have a pen, you push it into the hole, it should release the airbag. Okay, there's another one down here. Okay, guys, once the airbag is out, what you have to do, you need a flathead screwdriver, maybe a smaller one. You just pop this orange tab on both sides. All right, and then you should be able to take out the connector. There we go. You can't go wrong, guys. The connectors only fit in one way and the colors match. Let me try. Oh, let me pop this guy out again. All right, see, black and turquoise into turquoise, and then there is a couple of connectors we got to take out. Let's take out this here, the ground. There's a little pin. You press the little pin and then it comes out easy. Let's put this over here so I don't scratch it. I'm trying to take this connector off. Let me try to push this tab out and pull it up. There we go. I got it out. Okay, guys, now we can put this to the side. Next thing is we need to take this part out, guys. To do that, there's a screw right here. Let's take out the screw. There's another one on the other side. Okay, now we can easily take this cover out, put it to the side. And then for this, guys, there are clips. You should be able to just maneuver it and then it should come out. See? Very easy, guys. Okay, so now we have to pull this out. It's clips in two, so just maneuver it out. Okay, there we go. See, it hooks up in this guy's right here. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. Let's put this back in here, put it back into this. All right, we're gonna do the same thing over here, guys, but before we do that, let's unplug it, and then we push this thing out the same way. Okay, and then we pull this out too. Okay, guys, there you go. The buttons are out, guys. Right now all we have to do, we're sending all that stuff to my friend, and then he's gonna do the rest in switching out the LEDs. All right, let's go.